You alright guys, I hope you're good. Don't normally do any talking on my channel, but thought I would for this one. Following all the stuff, all the problems that sort of early buyers of the DJI Avata have had with fast yaw spins and inverting and the drone dropping to the ground, I just thought, I've not really had that problem. I've had some minor washout, but I thought I would test it and see if mine had that issue, and it certainly did. I'll show the video in a second for you so you can check it out. But yeah, I pushed it quite a few times. It mildly dropped a couple of times, and then finally I must have just pushed the speed a little bit more on the spin, and it certainly inverted and just came straight down to the ground. So yeah, watch this. I will be sending this back to DJI for a replacement.